World rights watchdog Amnesty International had said that Narendra Modi-led Indian government intensified the repression of human rights in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir during the last 3 years since it revoked the special status of the territory on 5th August 2019. The Amnesty International, in a report released today, said that journalists, lawyers and human rights defenders in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir were facing increasingly harsh and repressive measures by the Indian government. It said that at least 27 journalists had been arrested since 5th August 2019, with several of them including Fahad Shah, Asif Sultan and Sajjad Gul were re-arrested after court ordered their release and booked under draconian law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Akar Patel, chair of the board of Amnesty International India, in a statement said for 3 years now, civil society and media in Jammu and Kashmir have been subjected to a vicious crackdown by the Indian government. Meanwhile, Anjuman Awqaf Jamia Masjid Srinagar in a statement strongly denounced the occupation authorities for keeping its chief Mirwais Umar Farooq under continued house arrest and preventing him from offering Jummah prayers. The Mirwais is under house arrest for the last over 3 years. Senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Maulana Abbas Ansari was admitted in Sura Institute of Medical Sciences in Srinagar after his health deteriorated today. A non-Kashmiri laborer was injured after he was shot at by unknown gunmen in Ugargund area of Pulwama district today. Soon after the incident, Indian troops and police personnel cordoned off the area and launched searches to nab the attackers. On the other hand, a Bharatiya Janata Party leader was shot dead by unidentified persons inside a cloth showroom in Sadar Bazar area in the Indian city of Gurgaon. Unknown persons fired upon the BJP leader Sukhbir Khatana alias Sukhi when he went to the showroom with his friend.